It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas. This is Panay News Tonight. Here are the top stories of the day. Checkpoints are in place in strategic locations across Iloilo Province today to check travelers' quarantine passes. Iloilo Police Provincial Office Director Colonel Gilbert Guerrero said two kinds of checkpoints will be set up. The first are the provincial border points in the boundaries of Antique, Capiz, and Iloilo City. The second are the municipal quarantine checkpoints for those exiting their respective local government units. The checkpoints will be in effect until June 18 unless extended by the provincial government. Drivers and crew of public utility vehicles are exempt from the travel pass as well as persons in emergency cases. An Iloilo City Hall employee was arrested in a drug buy-bust operation today in the Desamparados Haro. 47-year-old Rene Milian, assigned to the local Economic Enterprise Office, was caught at the Haro Big Market around 8:30 a.m. Agents of the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency confiscated 5 sachets of suspected shabu and 1,500 pesos in buy-bust money. According to PDEA officer Jeanette Reyes, they had conducted surveillance on Milian for several days after they received reports of his activity. Milian denied the items were his and accused PDEA agents of planting them on him. Reyes, however, said this was only an alibi usually made by drug pushers to avoid arrest. Milian was detained in a lock-up cell of the PDEA while investigation on the source of the drugs is ongoing. Bacolod City is experiencing a shortage of nurses and beds for COVID patients. According to Dr. Ria Coquin of the Philippine Society for Microbiology and Infectious Disease, the ratio of nurses to patients is 1:3. Coquin cited a private hospital in the city which only had 3 to 5 nurses taking care of 15 COVID patients. She added there are other hospitals with 15 to 50 patients still waiting to be admitted. According to Dr. Dolores Romela Ruiz of the Philippine Society for Microbiology and Infectious Disease, the hospital system is already overwhelmed and that they are treating the more severe and critical cases first. Emergency Operations Center Executive Director M. Ang said they have already requested for augmentation from the national government. And those were tonight's latest headlines. This is your anchor, Elisha Lusaria Pumida. Good evening. For more stories, check our website, www.panaynews.net. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Grab the digital copy of Panay News on Press Reader. Read Panay News via the Inquirer Plus app and avail a free 30-day trial. Don't forget to always wear your face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing.